This actually was our first interaction with Hawker Richardson, so I guess whenever you sign up a new vendor, and particularly for something of this magnitude, there are always perhaps a few question marks, although we do try and do our homework in advance. What we found with Hawker Richardson was that we had a dedicated contact person and that we were provided with a timeline that stepped out the activities. So we knew what was going to happen, when it was going to happen. Shipping lead times to bring the equipment in are always the main risk. You can never guarantee that something's going to arrive at port when planned, but we're really quite pleased. There was a little bit of a delay, and then Hawker Richardson said, we'd actually allowed a bit of a fudge factor for that just in case. So things went almost exactly to plan. We had 2 or 3 technicians here, did the laser leveling, installation, calibration, and the commissioning, helped us run some parts through, trained our staff. So in terms of the experience and the professionalism we had, I rate it very highly. The Hawker Richardson team stepped us through everything carefully. We knew what was coming. There were no surprises. And so I would absolutely recommend Hawker Richardson, at least as a vendor to consider when looking to make an investment of this nature.